Hi to everybody. As the head of the French delegation in the group of the European People's Party in the European Parliament, my first words are to compliment your SDS members of the European Parliament, Romana Jordan and my excellent colleague Milan Zver, the head of the EPP Slovenian delegation. I know the President Janeza Janšo. I saw him when he was President of the European Council during the first semester 2008, just before the French presidency and just after Portugal and Germany presidencies in 2007. Janeza Janšo was the first President of the Union Council coming from a former communist country. He has done a huge work on democracy and at the European level. You can be proud of Romana, Milan and the President Janšo. In Slovenia, I believe that the members of Slovenian Democracy Party did an excellent job in preparing a concrete program and reform proposals how to provide Slovenia people with a better, more prosperous future. More jobs, economic growth and equity are their priority. I invite Slovenian voters to give a large majority to the SDS so your republic can have a good government for freedom, peace and prosperity. In the times of economic and financial crisis, we need strong leadership, outstanding ideas and effective measures. I support Slovenia Democracy Party and its President Janeza Janšo in the next elections, and I invite you to share this support. Jaz sem za SDS in Janeza Janšo.